Hi, today I bring you the Apple Magic Keyboard for the iPad, and this is the older model that came out in 2020, not the newer one that came out in 2025 for the iPad Air or the one that came out in 2024 for the iPad Pro. But I saw this on clearance at Costco and it was too good of a deal to pass up. So today we're gonna unbox it, and thankfully it's compatible with my iPad Air M2. Now the iPad Air M2 also supports the new 2025 Magic Keyboard that Apple released, but that one doesn't come with backlighting, and that's a deal breaker for me. And this guy does have backlighting, and it was at a pretty attractive price, so I picked it up, and now we're gonna slap it on to this iPad Air M2 that I have. Right now it's in an ESR folio case. I really like this case. It has like a little pencil cover and everything. It's super thin and light, so I'll probably hold on to this case, use it for like when I'm doing writing and like lots of note taking and stuff. But like for everyday use, I'll probably have the iPad Magic Keyboard, just so I have that attached keyboard that lets me use the iPad more like a computer. And I do want to challenge myself at one point to use just the iPad as a computer, no MacBook. So this keyboard will help me do that. But enough yapping, let's get this puppy open. Nice. Wow. There's our cursor. Take a look at the viewing angles. Nice. Try closing it. That's quite a bit of heft. Opening it. I might still use the ESR folio case for like note taking and stuff, and I also really like how this has a pencil cover. It's gonna take some getting used to not having a pencil cover on this iPad. We're gonna try one more thing, which is external monitor support with this. And there we go. Stage manager is on, so that's pretty cool. Brings the iPad closer to being a laptop. Another thing is this iPad case has pass-through charging right over there. So you can do this. And it'll charge the iPad, and it looks really clean because you have this port free for other stuff and accessories and whatnot. So this is really awesome. Nice and elegant solution to charge your iPad just like that. All right, that's pretty much it for this quick unboxing of the iPad Magic Keyboard. If you enjoyed this video, then consider liking and subscribing. And if you want to see a video where I try to use only the iPad, no MacBook for a whole day or a whole week, then let me know in the comment section below and stay subscribed. But yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. Be awesome and stay techie. Bye. You can clap. Hold on. Okay, that's the first clap. ASMR time.